Hi there, welcome back. I'm Kathy Barker, Software Solutions, and we're looking at Excel. This particular video I want to have a look at navigation. First of all, we spend too much time scrolling. So I want to show you some of the shortcut keys in Excel to save you a lot of time scrolling. If I click in a list, for example here, and I want to go to the top of this column, I'll press Control up arrow. If I want to go to the right, I'll press Control right arrow. And if I want to go to the left, Control left arrow. And if I want to go down, Control down arrow, and then Control up arrow back again. So use the Control arrow keys to get to the right, the left, the bottom, and the top edge of your list. Now if you want to go to a specific cell, Control G. Control G is common to all Microsoft applications. In Microsoft Excel, it particularly is when you want to go to a certain cell. So I might be on the phone and I might say one of the actual values in this list is incorrect. And so I'm asking you to go to I-40 and press enter. Immediately I'm taken to the cell I-40 and I can say to you that should be 1500. But then I have another change I want you to make. So I'll ask you to go Control G, and this time I want to go to G55. When I press enter, that's exactly where I am, G55. If I type 1000, I've just updated that figure. If I want to get to the very first cell in this spreadsheet, I'll press Control Home, and Control Home always takes you to the top. Now a little bit more about those control arrow keys. What if you want to select, not just move, but select to the bottom of a list? Let's say I go to Actual here, and I want to control down arrow, and it takes me to the bottom, which is I-273. And then I control up arrow back to the top. So control down and up moves me to the top and bottom. But if I go control shift down, then I have selected to the bottom. And there I can see, just to bring you back to video 1, the sum of the selected cells is 403890, and I can take a copy of that just by clicking it, and I can paste that into this particular cell here, and there's the answer. And Control Home back to the top. Come back for video 4.